ProtoCycler grinder operation. With the lid removed, you may place parts into your grinder hopper, and then replace the lid before attempting to grind. You may need to reverse a little bit before driving forward to properly engage the interlock. You may also need to apply pressure to the plunger to get the grinder teeth to properly bite into and pull in the parts. Once complete, remove the drawer from the side of your ProtoCycler. Note that there's an inner sorting mechanism which can be pulled halfway out, and you may shake the entire assembly to sort. The particulates that fall through are good for extrusion. These large parts that stay in the top are not good. They must be reground to be the ideal size for extrusion. The remaining parts, the parts in the bottom of the drawer, are good size and may be extruded. It is good practice to save up these particulates in a bag and properly dry all of them before extruding. You may now place the drawer back in the drawer slot and proceed to grind the rest of the particulates. Attempting to extrude with too large of particles may permanently damage your machine. That's why you should always be careful while recycling all of your waste plastic.